Hi guys, I just wanted to talk a little bit about how we are supposed to be writing our thesis statements for argumentative essays. I was seeing the same common mistake among the essay organizers on Google Classroom. I was checking them over and I was giving you and writing comments back, and I just saw the same mistakes being made over and over again. So I just wanted to talk to you guys as a whole just to clear everything up. So, if you read through this mini lesson, this should have helped you kind of formulate how you should have wrote your thesis statement. So, we are going to be following this model called concession, thesis, then reasons. Okay, and I know a lot of us, this is the first time us seeing that word concession. So it explains it right here where it says where you recognize the opposing side's most important counter argument. So that means you are recognizing what the other side is saying, but then you're proving your point with those three reasons. So this example right here says, although surveillance cameras may be expensive, schools should install them because they increase safety, reduce vandalism, and keep both teachers and students accountable for their actions. So it is easily identified that we can see the concession, which is right here. Then we see our claim in our thesis that schools should install them. Then we see this because, and we give those three solid reasons as to why we believe that. Okay, so please, please, please make sure you double check and make sure this is the correct model you are using for your paper. Okay, I also had a couple questions about this essay planner. So this is just to help you organize those thoughts. Okay, you were not required to do this, but I just put it on there so that it was easier for you to kind of plan out your paper. So obviously your thesis statement goes here, a little bit of background knowledge about the problem or situation in our world today, and then here's your 3 points, then that evidence to back it up, and then that reasoning. Now, a lot of us had some questions about that reasoning, and the reasoning is how your evidence supports this claim. So this reasoning goes back to this thesis statement. How does this evidence that you provided support your claim, support what you believe is correct, if you agree or disagree with the statement. Okay, so this is that explanation piece. Okay, kind of like in our Crispin analysis papers when we had to explain the how and why of our traits. This is exactly kind of the same thing. This is you explaining how this evidence that you found is going back to your thesis statement. Okay, if you have any other questions about how to set up your papers or if your thesis is correct, please feel free to email me and I'd be happy to help. Okay? Alrighty. Well, thanks, guys.